friends, I simply love these questions. Square root of 16 is 4 minus square root of 12 can be written as 4 into 3. Now this 4 into 3 can be broken down as root 4 and root 3. We know the value of root 4, that is 2 root 3. Since this whole equation is under square root, let's try to make it a perfect square. So 2 root 3 can be written as 2 into 1 into root 3 and 4 can be written as 1 plus 3. We can rewrite this as root 3 square plus root 1 square minus 2 into root 3 into 1 and square root of this whole thing. So we get this question in form of a square plus b square minus 2a into b, which is equal to a minus b whole square. Therefore, this can also be written as root 3 minus 1 whole square. So you get your final answer as root 3 minus 1. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel.